everyone, welcome to IAM Food Life. This is your host Kankana. So have you ever heard of Mumbai ka vada pav? But we can't go to Mumbai to have that vada pav, right? So to give that Maharashtrian tadka, today we have in our kitchen Chef Kankana Fukan. So let's welcome her. Hello,
Hello
Chef.
everyone. Hello Kankana. How are you?
I'm good. How are you, Chef?
I'm very good. Hope all are well, doing well in this lockdown. So I'm going to teach you how to make the pav, and Chef John will teach us how to make the vada. So let's start.
Yes.
So first of all, I'll introduce the ingredient first. We have 500 grams of flour, refined flour. Then we have 50 ml of your lukewarm water.
Okay.
Then 20 grams of yeast, 5 grams of salt. Then we have bread improver around 2 gram, your gluten 5 gram. Then we have sugar around 40 gram. Then again we have normal water around 150 gram, 20 gram ml of your oil, and we have extra flour for dusting, and we have this milk wash. Okay, so later we are going to use it. So first of all, we are going to use the yeast,
Okay.
water, sugar, and the yeast. So first we are going to check our yeast is active or not. So we are going to keep it like this for around 10 minutes. We'll take this, the flour, gluten. Okay.
So how does it help?
Gluten we take because it gives more elasticity to the dough.
Okay.
Okay, because the flour which we have, it's not of that quality. We need strong flour for bread.
Okay.
Okay, so strong flour means that flour has more gluten. So these flours are not strong, so we are adding additional gluten to it.
So this is the normal flour, right?
This is the normal flour which we use, but it's not a strong flour. So we add more gluten to it. Okay, so we'll mix it nicely. The salt, keep aside here only.
Okay.
And see, our yeast is ready.
Oh.
So we'll put in the center.
So, Chef, can you tell our viewers how the yeast helps?
Yeast will help you to rise the product. Okay, and we are using lukewarm water first of all. Okay, lukewarm water means the temperature of the water will be your 25 degree, and we are giving here sugar. Sugar is the food of yeast. जैसे हमारे लिए वड़ा पाव, बर्गर,
Yes.
ये सब है. So yeast के लिए आपका है sugar. ठीक है, तो जब ईस्ट को एक टेम्परेचर मिलता है, दैट इज द ल्यूकवार्म वाटर जो हम आपको बोला 25 डिग्री, एक टेम्परेचर, एक मॉइस्चर जब मिलता है, ऑक्सीजन मिलता है, खाना मिलता है, तो दे स्टार्ट मल्टीप्लाइंग.
Okay. See, doesn't it sound like something science behind it?
Yes, it's science.
It's very interesting.
So when after it's done, no, it releases your carbon dioxide,
Okay.
then your ethyl alcohol and glycerin.
Okay. See, viewers, you can see today we are making some scientific kind of vada pav.
So
Don't
now
get
I'm
scared.
going to add the water, the remaining water,
Okay.
and I'm going to knead it nicely.
Okay.
The kneading is very important.
Okay.
Mix everything well. Kankana, you can see it's all mixed. So I'm
Yes.
going to take my tabletop for kneading it properly.
So first we have to mix it properly. After that we
Yes,
have to
yes.
make the dough, right?
Yes. I'm going to use the oil also here.
Okay.
Little by little. I'm going to knead it. Make the dough soft because while kneading also it gets hard.
Okay.
So the dough need to be very soft first. So it is, you can see it's soft, right?
I'm going to use the oil.
You can use butter also if you want. If you're fond of butter, you can use butter.
I'm always
So
so yeah,
it's
knead,
almost ready.
knead and knead
Yes,
until it's done.
very nicely. It's almost done. So you can see it's done. So we'll give some floor timing here. And our baking tray is ready. Again,
So we can cut this with a normal knife also.
yes. So I'm getting problem with my gloves to roll it. Just press it and then roll it. With the gloves I'm having problem to hold.
We can change it. So make this kind of chota balls and
Yes.
keep it together, right?
Yes. This things, it's very difficult to do with the gloves.
Yes,
So
I
I
can
have
see.
removed it. Anyways, this always going to be cooked, is going to be baked. So there won't be any bacteria. So from that side we are safe. So Kankana, did you try the Kung Pao chicken?
Yes, obviously, chef.
How was it?
It was not like Chef John, but it was okay. So maybe next time I can cook better.
Definitely. And did you try my cookies?
Yeah, I tried.
How was it?
It was good, but not like you. It's getting double in size, right?
Yes, it is double in size.
So that's the reason you are doing it fast.
Yes, I'm doing it fast. That's why.
You can see it's getting double in size. See this one? See this and see this. So we are almost done with making the balls.
Yes, we are done. Here. So it's done. So I'm going to apply this milk wash.
So instead of milk wash, we can apply egg wash also, right, chef?
Yes, egg will give you nice color, the bright color. Because we are making it a veg wala, veg, that's why I'm using the milk wash. You can give egg wash also.
So for vegetarian viewers, you can use milk wash, and for non-vegetarian, you can use egg wash.
Yes. So after the egg wash, we'll keep it till it's become double the size, and then we are going to bake it at around your 200 degree
Okay.
for 10 minutes. Ready to get inside the oven. So you have seen our pav is getting baked. It's inside the oven.
Till the time the pav is getting baked, let's learn how to make vada.
So now I'm going to set up the ingredient for the vada preparation.
So, getting confused, who is going to teach us making vada? Not Chef Kankana actually. So, your very own, let's welcome Chef John.
Thank you, Kankana and Konkona. Thank you for helping me for set up my kitchen, and see, here I come.
You know, viewers, whenever Chef John comes, our kitchen smells full of masala. You're very masaledar.
Yeah,
chef.
masala makes life jumping. So, you see some real spices and some masalas. How you feel?
I told you, you're full of masala. Masaledar Chef John, your new name.
इसीलिए बोलता जिंदगी का मजा खट्टे पे है. So मेरे साइड से जिंदगी का मजा मसाले पे है.
Yes.
Without masala, there is no life.
It's like, it sounds very Indian, right?
Yes, of course. So I'm going to show you how to make vada in Maharashtrian style, and with that vada I will show you how to teach. There is a chutney called Lasun Kobra chutney.
Wow.
Lasun Kobra chutney is the Maharashtrian chutney. I will show you how to make that chutney.
Okay.
Okay?
Very interesting.
So let's start. Okay, Kankana,
Yes, chef.
let's go. I think your pav is ready. I'm getting
Yes,
a
yes,
very
I-
good smell.
Okay, I need to check it, chef.
Yeah, so by that time I will show how to make Lasun Kobra chutney.
Yes.
For Lasun Kobra chutney, you take garlic. I already peeled the garlic. And this chutney, I tell you, if you have this chutney, it will give you a wow in your ears. Because this chutney is very,
Ears.
very spicy.
Oh, for spice lovers.
Yeah, so this is a local Maharashtrian chutney they use for vada pav,
Okay.
and I think mostly people like. So we will show you how to make the chutney. It says chutney, but it is like a powder.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
So, chef, can you introduce us the ingredients?
Yeah, okay. See, first I'll show you how to make the chutney, and definitely I will show you the ingredients. So you put little bit of oil. You put this garlic. So by the time when I put, you will know the ingredients also.
Okay.
So you put the garlic here. Okay, you see the garlic flavor? Here, Kankana.
Chef,
Yes.
The pav is ready.
See?
Wow, you see the pav, excellent color. The texture you see like a sponge.
It's so shiny, na?
So it should be like this sponge. So when you eat, it will melt in your mouth. Very good. Okay, just keep it
Bring
here.
it down, chef.
Now you see the garlic here. So once it's getting little bit of brown, we will add coconut flakes.
Okay.
Coconut flakes or desiccated coconut. So you put the coconut flakes little bit here. Make sure you no need to saute it very well. Just mix it nicely.
Okay.
Then you add chili powder. So why I say there will be fire in your ears?
Because of this chili powder.
Yes.
But I am a very much spice lover.
But if you eat this one spice lover, you will jump.
So, chef, let's do a competition. What's
No,
it?
I am not a spice lover. So, see, you don't need to cook for so many times. Let's just just saute it like 1 or 2 minutes. And once it's saute, you need to blend it, make a powder.
Okay.
So it's like a powder. Okay,
Smelling really nice.
really nice. So it's done. We'll close it now. I will show you about the this aloo means bonda. So I already mashed the potato. Okay, already mashed the potato. We will fry it nicely, little bit. Okay.
Okay.
So you put oil. So once you put the oil,
Mhm.
so when the oil is hot, you put some mustard seeds. So normally, mustard is when you put how it put. Yeah.
Like kung pao chicken, it has kurukara.
Yes.
Now we have
Tuk tak.
tuktak.
So you put little mustard seeds.
So chef,
Yes.
जबकि हम लोग महाराष्ट्रियन चटनी बना रहे हैं and vada pav with महाराष्ट्रियन तड़का, so can you say something in Maharashtrian language to our viewers?
Wow, काय झाला? तुझं नाम काय?
See?
Okay. So now one is done. I have a nice what do you call this one?
Curry leaves.
Curry leaves. Wow, see, fresh from the garden. Okay, put some curry leaves. And you will feel the smell. Okay, now we'll add little bit of a ginger garlic paste.
Okay.
And a little bit of chili paste.
Again.
Yeah. Without chili, you won't get that much of flavor.
Wow, it's jumping, chef.
Yeah, I tell you, jumping. Okay. So we add little bit of masala now. Some cumin powder, roasted cumin powder. We will not put any chili powder, okay? A little bit of garam masala. We put chili.
Yeah,
Then we'll add this potato into it.
mashed potato.
So this is simple mashed potato. You boiled it,
Mm-hmm.
okay, and mash it.
Let me cut it.
This way. Okay, see, it's almost done. Now we'll add salt. You can add salt like this, or it is better when you boil the potato. You can add salt in the water.
Okay, okay. So it's very easy actually. It's very, very easy to make, and the aroma, oof, full of masala.
So this is done. So now we will make the batter.
Okay.
The batter made with besan, or we call chickpeas flour. So once this batter is done, we will dip into the batter and then we deep fry it.
Okay.
Okay. So we'll make the batter. This is besan. Because by the time this potato getting little cold, we will make like a dumplings, like a ball.
Okay.
So we'll add little bit of chili powder, not much. Okay.
Chili powder again.
This is a cumin powder. Turmeric. Okay. Little garam masala. So we put little bit of turmeric
Okay.
and sugar. Salt. So we'll mix it. Can you hold the board for me?
Yes.
Sure. So we'll mix it nicely. Remember, batter should be not so thin or not so thick. It should be in like medium consistency. So you mix it. You mix it like this, and it should be so much of thin or too much of thick. So this is done. The potato is already ready, and the lasun chutney I told you I already made it before. I just show you how the procedure. The chutney is already ready here.
Wow. Coconut and chili.
So this batter will keep it here, and we'll make a small balls. Like a bunda. Okay. You know, some place they make it ball, or some place they make it like a
Like flat.
yeah.
Yes.
But if you go to Maharashtra,
Mm-hmm.
this is vada. Even though in south also they call aloo bonda.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
You might know it's aloo bonda.
So you can see all the ingredients we have today, all these are easily available at our home, right? And coconut we have at our home, coconut trees, and everything is like from our very own kitchen. So the recipe is very easy, very easy, and it's very tasty. You can make it home easily. As you can see, our vadas are almost ready to get fried. You can see you
Oh,
can see the
see
curry leaves and also.
Yeah, see, by the time you are talking, I'm very fast.
Yeah, you are too fast. That's why you are Masaledar Chef John.
Okay, so oil, you know, I've checked the oil, it's
Mhm.
hot.
Okay.
So take the vada, then you dip it here.
So it's almost like a pakora, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you dip it.
Only some ingredients we have to add.
So this thing you have to be very careful. You by the hand you do. So Kankana, you want to try?
Oh chef, actually I got it cut on my finger. So
Oh, you
don't-
got the card last time and still is there.
Yeah.
You see the vada now?
Yeah. It smells very authentic.
The flavor of the curry leaves.
Yes,
Yeah, really,
yes.
I love the flavor of the curry leaves.
Now our kitchens, like you know, the aroma of the kitchen is like something like South Indian. I can think of dosa, idli, all these are running in my mind.
Yeah. I love dosa too because I love dosa and the sambar, rasam
Mhm.
because of that flavor of the curry leaves. And curry leaves actually it's very good for your stomach.
Yes.
Very good for your stomach. So now you can see it's nicely cooked and have nice color.
Okay, yeah.
So we'll remove it. Are you hungry?
Always, chef, you know na.
Okay, so you can join with me in the kitchen.
Whenever I can, get that aroma of food, my stomach goes.
Okay, so we already cooked. Now we will do the remaining ones. When you fry, you make sure the potatoes are very soft. So you should be very careful and don't drop from very top. You have to bring close to the oil.
Yes,
You
yes.
see, bring close to the oil. No need to scare. Okay, if you pour from here, then the oil will jump. So just see, relax.
So
I
this
see.
Sunday, yes, I'm
Yeah.
going to make this vada pav for my family. So you should also try for your family, for your loved one, for your friends, and try it and let us know.
Definitely. This is all the ingredients is available in your house.
Yes.
So
Yes, it looks yummy. You can see it's almost like aloo chop or aloo pakora. The ingredients are very simple. Actually, it looks tough, but it's not.
As you see, make sure you know in a regular interval you turn it. So otherwise, what will happen? You know, the bottom will be getting more color or burn. Be slowly, nothing hurry, because it's locked down, so you don't need to go anywhere.
Yes, we have enough time.
Enough
to cook
time.
this.
Exactly.
Yes. This recipe is very fun.
So now your vada is ready, pav is ready.
Everything is ready and Kankana is ready to eat.
Very good, excellent. Okay, wow, you're ready. Vada is ready.
Yes. Wow, chef. Amazing. The aroma of the curry leaves is just wow.
We'll make some garnish. Okay,
This is,
So-
just an
additional garnish for the plates.
additional recipe for you.
Just fry it with chili and garlic. Okay. Okay, so we fry some garlic, chili, and coriander leaves, the
Curry leaves.
curry leaves.
जैसे कि हम लोग दाल में तड़का लगाते हैं.
ये
Like that.
तड़का नहीं, थोड़ा
हाँ.
प्लेटिंग के लिए, गार्निश के लिए दिखने में अच्छा लगेगा. खा भी सकते हैं. गार्निश हमेशा whatever garnish we put for the plating, that is eatable.
Yes.
Okay, so you can eat,
Mhm.
and it has to be make sure it is cooked, not raw.
Yes.
Okay.
So we are almost ready for the plating, and I'm getting very
So-
excited.
We'll take a pav.
Which our chef Kankana Fukan has made.
It's a beautiful pav,
You can see the shine, right?
and you see the texture. See, it's nice, soft, and so. So I take 3 pav.
Okay, let me help you.
3 pav means we will taste, no? One for you, one for me,
Yes.
and one for Kankana. She'll come back.
Yeah. Exactly.
Cut the pav. See, very soft, very nice pav. Okay. Now what do you do? I make a chutney here. It's a mint chutney, mint and coriander.
Okay.
So put little bit of chutney on the bottom. Okay. Put the vada here.
Okay.
And remember this chutney?
Yes, yes.
This coconut, you put little bit on top.
Maharashtrian chutney.
So one here of vada.
Wow.
So we do same thing. We put little bit of mint and coriander chutney. Put the vada. And then, what is the name of this chutney?
Garlic, coconut chutney.
Lasun Cobra chutney.
Lasun cobra chutney, yes.
Remember, this is very spicy.
Yes, yes.
So normally, if somebody wants not spicy, you can no need to serve.
Maybe
You
the
can
spice, right?
give on the side.
The vada pav.
So this is your vada pav ready. Okay. Take some garnish here. Okay. So So this is all fried.
Mhm.
As I told you, if it is fried, you can have it.
Yes, yes. The recipe looks tough, but it's not actually.
So you can give some chutney on the side.
Mm-hmm.
If somebody want more chutney as a dip,
Yes.
okay.
Yummy.
So here you go, vada pav,
So,
traditional Maharashtrian dish.
actually, here comes the best part of the show. Yes, this is me time. Actually, my tasting time. So let's taste it. Chef John, please have one.
Okay, let's taste it. The bread is so soft.
The vada is very crispy. The pav is very very soft, and the vada is very crispy. So you can imagine the combination, right? And the taste of curry leaf and the taste of coconut. It gives a complete South Indian plus Maharashtrian taste. It's very very yum. So please 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 do make this weekend and let us know.
So I hope you enjoyed my and Kankana show, how to make vada and pav. Please do try at home and definitely it will come good. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye. Take care.